Vrindavan also a place.
Yeah, we are in Pachiparai. We are going for boating.
No,
And
say something.
So our friend, our classmate Winsley, Reverend Winsley, is taking us for boating. This is, you can see, this is Pachiparai Dam, and this is a reservoir.
It's a big lake.
Yeah, it's a reservoir.
Yeah, reserve water, no?
Yeah, the water has been reserved. So from here we are going to have a
Boat.
and we are going to cross that side, and we will explore some of the places or forest. So it will be a good experience. So all our faculty members and students, friends are coming.
Here is my beautiful friend. Sir. Sir. Uncle, sir.
Okay, no problem. Go on. Winsley. DD Regional Office.
We are going. After around 30 minutes boating, we reached another place. This is the tribal place. There are interior inside. Yeah. I was wondering how they are living like this, no?
This guy was moving around about how much?
Here are some students. Here are students. They have to cross this river to the other side to get education.
You get the handle also. Yeah. That where to fix it? That we have a fixed board, no?
Hello. This is government school, right? Government school, huh?
The tribal school.
Oh, tribal school.
That's government only. But
Steve, what is the name of this place? Name this place.
This place is Thirupara.
Huh?
Thirupara.
Tripura.
Thirupara
Tirupura.
Water Falls. Thirupara Water Falls.
Steve. David. Ah!